On Saturday, along with picketing of Lembucharra area, Tipra Motha supporters further blocked the road of Khowai-Agartala by lighting a fire in the midst of the road of Lembucharra. ADC EM Runel Deborma and other functionaries of Tipra Motha were present. A huge shadow of ADC strike called by Tipra Motha on Saturday was seen all over Tripura demanding the constitutional solution. The strike was started from 6 a.m. in the morning of Saturday. On this day, surrounding the strike, all the shops, offices and schools were closed. No vehicles were seen on the road on this day. Along with picketing of Lembucharra area, Tipra Motha supporters further blocked the road of Khowai-Agartala by lighting a fire in the midst of the road of Lembucharra. ADC EM Runel Deborma and other functionaries of Tipra Motha were present.
In the area, Toro Baragon and Bondong, Sin is the main demand, get the Balanati, the constitutional solution, Omnoti, Joto Highway, Joto is the main Lamarok, Joto Sarati, ADCM Soyo, Soitan Simi Block Haitamo, Singoro Tini, Lembucharra, Sini Bujon or Wakinagar, Eva Mohanpur Assembly, Singoro Block Haitamo, Yankri, the emergency dog. Ambulance dog, but they couldn't emergency getting light in it. They won't bother, they couldn't kiss Malaya. Sini, Tipra Sadofa, Asik Boshorum is a cinemantic of the Mayan community. Sini, Singasa Choba Kaimini, Omoka, Sini Choba, or Chobanova, Sintini successful Kene, the Sarati Bravo, or Bondo successful.
Absolutely, Boba Haitoli, Boba Haitu, Samono, Kevin Murok. Now, Susan Kuru, Santi Kenya, or Bondo, Joton Manito. I'm saying Joto Dugan Pat Bondo, Joto Gari Gura, emergency Gari Sara, Kun Gari, like it. That was the Bonate police of the Boma Haigo, Yatri of the
Police of our forces, night, Tausu or Kunu Wayako, Senkunbo, Borni against Wayasen, Kunu Bishuni against Yasen, Sensin Bondo, Santike, Maniwi, Pali, Hanate Sara, Joto Lukurong Banquene, Tomo Sinti Prasa, Tom Bumidofa.
On this day, along with the protest in demanding constitutional solution, the various area of Lembucharra was picketed. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.